I'm going to teach you how to solve numerical regarding FCC. So my numerical is element forms FCC structure, has density of 10 gram per cm cube with edge length 100 picometer. How many atoms and unit cells are present in 2 gram of the element? So here we have to calculate two things. Number one, number of atoms in 2 gram of the element, and second thing, number of unit cells present in 2 gram of the element. So first we will calculate number of atoms in 2 gram of the element by using this formula. So number of atoms is equal to x into n divided by density into a cube. And secondly we will calculate number of unit cells by using this formula. Number of unit cells is equal to x divided by density into a cube. Now I am going to calculate number of atoms by using this formula. So the formula is x into n divided by density into a cube. Now what is x? X means amount of element or amount of substance in grams. So x is equal to how much? X is equal to 2 grams. So 2 gram of element, which is the x, means amount of element or amount of substance. Then x, we know that n means number of atoms per unit cell. In case of FCC, n is equal to 4 because this example contain face centered cubic unit cell. That is why in case of FCC, n is equal to 4. Then density also given in the example, which is density of 10 gram per cm cube. And last thing, a cube. A means unit cell edge length. So here a is 100 picometer. Now here we have to convert this picometer into centimeter. Now 100 picometer is equal to how many centimeter? 100 picometer is equal to 100 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. So whenever there is a conversion of picometer to centimeter, you have to multiply that number by 10 raised to minus 10. And in case of conversion of angstrom, a naught to centimeter, you have to multiply that number by 10 raised to minus 8. So because example contain the value in the picometer form, so picometer to centimeter, 100 into 10 raised to minus 10. So a is equal to 100 into 10 raised to minus 10. But here we are putting a value in the cubic form. So we have to convert this centimeter into cubic form. So 100 into bracket 100 into 10 raised to minus 10 bracket raised to 3. Now I am putting these values in this formula for the calculation of number of atoms present in the 2 gram of the element. So number of atoms is equal to x. You know the x means 2 gram. So x 2 gram into n, which is 4, divided by density 10 gram per cm cube, 10 gram per cm cube is equal to 10 gram per cm cube into a cube, means bracket 100 into 10 raised to minus 10 bracket raised to 3. So into 100 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter bracket raised to 3. Now when you do this, when you solve this, we will get 8 into 10 raised to 23. So by solving this, we will getting number of atoms is equal to 8 into 10 raised to 23. So I got this. I got the total number of atom which is present in the 2 gram of element, which is nothing but the 8 into 10 raised to 23. So this is my first answer. Number of atoms is equal to 8 into 10 raised to 23. Now we will calculate number of unit cell by using this formula. So number of unit cell can be calculated by this formula, which is x divided by density into a cube. Now we know that x 2 gram, which is the amount of the element, then density 10 gram per cm cube, and a cube, which is we know the A cube 100 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter raised to 3. So we are calculating number of unit cell. I am putting this value in this equation for the calculation of unit cell. So number of unit cell is equal to x 2 gram divided by density 10 gram per cm cube into A cube 100 into 10 raised to minus 10, 100 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter bracket raised to 3. Now again, when you solve this, if you do this, you will getting 2 into 10 raised to 23, which is my second answer. So by solving this, we get number of unit cells 2 into 10 raised to 23. So this is my second answer, and this is my first answer. So this is my second answer, 2 into 10 raised to 23, which is nothing but the total number of unit cells present in the 2 gram of the element. So this is the total number of atoms, 8 into 10 raised to 23, and this is the total number of unit cell, 2 into 10 raised to 23. So that was the regarding numerical of FCC. Now we have the second example regarding to the FCC, second numerical. In this numerical, we are going to calculate the atomic radius of the gold. My next numerical is gold crystallizes FCC structure, has density 19.3 gram cm cube. Find atomic radius of gold. The atomic mass of gold A is equal to 197 gram per mole. Now here we are going to calculate atomic radius regarding to the FCC. So radius, the formula for radius in terms of FCC, that will be R is equal to A divided by root 8. Now R means radius and A means unit cell edge length. So first we have to calculate, or first we have to find out the value of A, and we will find the value of A from the volume of the unit cell, means V. So first of all we have to calculate the value of V, means volume of the unit cell. So V, the formula for volume is equal to mass of unit cell divided by the density. The density which is already given in the example, which is 19.3 gram per cm cube. Now we are going to calculate mass of unit cell. So mass of unit cell is equal to 4 into 197 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So here we are calculating the mass of unit cell, because FCC contain 4 atoms per unit cell, where we are taking here 4 into 197, because 197 is the atomic mass of gold, divided by the Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So by solving this, we will getting 130.85 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram. So I got this 130.85 into 10 raised to 23 gram, which is nothing but the mass of unit cell. Mass of unit cell. Now I am putting this value in this formula for the calculation of V. So I am putting this value in this equation. So this equation becomes volume of unit cell, V is equal to mass of unit cell, which I got here 130.85 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram divided by density, which is already given in the equation. Example 19.3 gram per cm cube. 19.3 gram per cm cube. So by solving this, when you do this, you will getting a 6.78 into 10 raised to minus 23 cm cube. So volume V is equal to, by solving this, we will getting 6.78 into 10 raised to minus 23 cm cube. So this I got here. Total volume of unit cell V is equal to 6.78 into 10 raised to minus 23 cm cube. Now we know that volume of unit cell means A cube. So we can say that this is the value of V, also this is the value of A cube. So we can say that V is equal to A cube. So I will write here A cube is equal to 6.78 into 10 raised to minus 23 cm cube, because we know that V means A cube. Total volume of unit cell V is equal to A cube. So this is the value of V. Also this is the value of A cube. Now we want the value of A. So we have to convert this A cube into A form. So A cube is equal to 6.78 into 10 raised to minus 23 cm cube. So A is equal to how much? A is equal to 4.08 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. 4.08 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. So here we will convert the cubic form into this form. So A cube is equal to 6.78 into 10 raised to minus 23 centimeter cube. So A is equal to how much? A is equal to 4.08 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Now I'm substituting this value in this formula for the calculation of radius of gold. So this equation becomes R is equal to, means radius of gold is equal to, R is equal to A divided by root 8. A we got here. A is equal to 4.08 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter divided by root 8. So R is equal to, when you solve this you will getting R is equal to 1.44 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. 1.44 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Now here if you want, you convert this centimeter into picometer form. So 1.44 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter is equal to how much picometer? Is equal to 144 picometer. So R is equal to 144 picometer. So this is my prime answer. I got R is equal to, means radius of gold is equal to 144 picometer. So here we convert centimeter into picometer form. So 1.44 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter is equal to 144 picometer. So this is how we calculate the atomic radius of gold regarding to the FCC, face centered cubic unit cell. So keep practicing.